In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to find fresh remote job opportunities so you can apply early. The truth is, for most remote jobs, the earlier you apply, the higher your chances of getting hired. Most of you are not getting remote jobs because you are always applying late. And most recruiters and HR have already seen, fresh CVs and people that are capable of doing the job. They don't even look at your own CV. So let's fix that with ChatGPT. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to ChatGPT on your web browser. Yeah, don't use the ChatGPT app on your phone. Use the one on your web browser. So you go over to Chrome and log into ChatGPT. Yeah. So after you must have logged in, you click on this two dash at the top here. Click on it. Yeah, and this dashboard pops up. Yeah, so you click on your name there at the bottom feed. If you are using a mobile, you click on your name. If you are using a laptop, you head over to where you see profile and you click on your name. When you click on your name, you click on settings. After you click on settings, this homepage, this dashboard pops up and you click on notification. Yeah, when you click on notification, you see this task menu here. You click on it where you see push and email. You click on it and you make sure you turn both the push and the email on. Yeah, so after that you head over to ChatGPT. You head back to ChatGPT. After turning push and email on, you head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt I'm going to drop in the description or in the comments. I'm going to pin it in the comments. Yeah, you paste the prompts into ChatGPT. Now, these prompts have been tailored for my personal needs. So I'm having data analytics, social media management, content, and all. So you can edit this and add your skill set. Yeah, add the experience level you have, add the location. You can leave that since we are all looking for remote job, the job requirements and every other thing. You can just go through the prompts and edit some certain things. After that, you click on send, and that was all. Yeah. So ChatGPT will bring a list of jobs that has been posted in the last 24 hours. Yeah. 24 hours. If there's no job posted in the last 24 hours, it will bring the jobs posted in the last 48 hours. What will happen is every morning ChatGPT will send you this information to your email. So you can also click and apply to these jobs. It will send the jobs and also the link to apply to these jobs. So you can click and apply to these jobs. So here we have the first one, data analyst, entry level, Ruby AI. It was posted 1 day ago. Yeah, so this is the link to apply to the job. The second one, we have operations data analyst, NYSC slash entry level, remote job too. There's also a link to apply. This was posted few hours ago, meaning there are very little or no persons that have applied for this job. If you apply for this job right now, you have a high chance of getting in. Yeah, because the HR will see your CV first and give you priority. Go over it and kind of like call you for an interview and so yeah. So that's how it works. You apply for these jobs. Now, ChatGPT will continue searching the web every day for the last 24 hours and send you the list of jobs to your email. It will also point out the job requirements for each jobs it brings out, so you know if you are capable of applying for that job or not. Yeah. So I hope this helps. Yeah. This will help you apply to jobs faster before anyone else. And if you do this consistently for the next 1 week, you would get called for an interview. See you guys in the next one. I really hope this helps you. Do well to hit the like button and subscribe.